Hi, today we'll be discussing on the discussion topic itself. Probably it is the hardest section to write. It highlights the new and important findings of the study. It explains the meaning of the results to the reader. True meaning of the data may be completely obscured, is not interpreted properly. Interpret your results in light of other published results and make sure you provide accurate citations for the work you take from other people. First paragraph should give a brief overview of the main findings of the paper, final conclusions, and an outline of the supporting data. To begin with, first include the major findings of the study, then critically explain what these findings mean, relate these findings with the literature review for similar or different findings, and present the relevance of the findings in the clinical or scientific area. Mention the limitations of the study, what limitations were there and why did they occur. Also try to mention the solutions for this limitation in upcoming studies. Try to put the solution based on the findings. Also mention the questions which were not answered by your study and try to recommend the research that is needed in future. Lastly, mention the take-home message. While writing the discussion session, as discussed earlier, first present your findings, then compare and contrast your findings with the finding of other people. During comparing, try to present the principles, relationships, and generalizations shown by the results. Point out any exceptions or any lack of correlation and define unsettled points. Show how your results and interpretations agree or disagree with previously published work. While writing discussion section, try to avoid some of the important factors like over-interpretation of the results. These will inflate or overgeneralize the data, so try to avoid this. Try to keep the data as it is. Do not present unwarranted speculations. Inflating the importance of the findings may make the readers feel disgusted or humiliated. Do not present tangential issues, as this may distract or confuses the reader, and sometimes the real message of the study may be diluted. Don't be bully pulpit or do not attack or criticize others. And while presenting conclusion, do not present the conclusions which are not supported by the data. While writing the discussion session, move from specific to the general points, present your findings, and compare this with the literature available, and mention how they can be practiced in day-to-day life. Do not ignore or bury the major issues. Mention what the study achieved, how could it solve the problem, or did it support the hypothesis. Make explanations complete. Give evidence for each conclusion. Discuss possible reasons for expected and unexpected findings. Sometimes overinterpretation can lead to the misconclusion, so this should be avoided while writing the discussion section. Thank you.